welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Key, aka Kiwi, and I am back with another tutorial. But before we get into all of that, I just want to say I hope that y'all are doing great and y'all are staying cool in this summer heat, because oh my god, it is just hot outside. I mean, it is so hot. Your edges don't last, your makeup just, it's just so hot. But I love summer, y'all. So I hope that y'all are staying cool. For today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I achieved this galaxy inspired look. And let me just say, like, I love the stars, the planets, space, like the unknown. Like, I have a little obsession with it. But I just think it's so cool and it's just so interesting. I took astronomy maybe like undergrad, like my junior year or something like that, and I loved it. I just couldn't get with the physics part. So yeah. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I know my face looks a little crazy, like a little pale, but I'm baking right now, and so I'm going to let my face bake a little bit longer while I'm taking care of my eyeshadow. So let's get into this eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my famous tape trick. If you have not seen my summer tutorial, I kind of explained the purpose of using tape, and so it just kind of helps for cleaner eyeshadow lines. Guys, you want to make sure that your tape is kind of like even on both sides, just in case you decide to do like winged liner or something. You don't want your wings to be like, and you don't want your pigment to be like so just try to make sure you can get them as straight as possible. So I'm using my NYX Pigment Primer eyeshadow base for my primer, and I'll put the information about the product in the description box. So I'm going to start with this blue as a base color, and this is from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, one of my favorite palettes. I just did a tutorial with this palette the other day. It's like a banging palette, y'all. Alright, so before I get into my Galaxy Chic palette, I am going to apply some of my Urban Decay Minor Sin Primer Potion. And what this is going to do is just going to help bring that shimmer out and make it pop and look really, really, really pretty, guys. Alright, so I've got my eyeshadow primer potion applied, and now I'm going to dig into this palette. Oh my gosh, y'all, like, look at these colors. And they're named after like planets, and I mean, it's just everything galaxy, and it's just so cool. So I'm going to start in the outer corner of my lid with Neptune, and this is just going to complement the dark blue that I applied. So I'm going to take this darker purple color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, just as a transition color, and I'm going to apply that right next to the blue that I applied. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. Oh my gosh. And so now I'm going to go back to my Galaxy Chic palette, and I am going to go over this purple slightly with Moon. And I'm going to blend Moon into the inner corner. I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner, but I'm going to work my way towards the inner corner of my lid, because the next color that I apply will be strictly a glitter color, and it's going to be loose glitter. Y'all know how much I love my glitter, so any opportunity I get to use some glitter, oh my god, I'm gonna use it. I could take glitter baths and glitter showers, just bathe myself in glitter. That's how much I love glitter. I just love glitter because it just sparkles. And okay, I just love glitter, guys. So I'm going to take my Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm going to just apply some of the glue to the inner corner of my lid, and this is going to allow my loose glitter to stick. And so I'm going to go in with my Too Faced. This is Wrapped in Pink. Y'all, look at this. Look how pretty this is. I mean, the pink and the purple and the blue, like, they just, oh my god, they go together so well. Like, this is so cute. Alright guys, so my tape is off now, and I am just in love with this look. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go back under my lid with the same dark blue color that I applied first, that base color. And this is just going to bring out some depth in the look. I am going to go in with this purple color Cosmic. Oh, this is perfect. Like, this is so perfect. Alrighty, so these are the eyes, guys, and I'm just like so in love with this look already. And this is the one look that I just was like, okay, I'm gonna see if I can do it like this and see how it turns out. And I really like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. So this is the completed look, guys, and I am in love with this look. It was super quick and easy, and I am loving it. And I love this Galaxy palette as well. Like, these eyeshadows in here, y'all, these are simply gorgeous. This is one of my favorite palettes. I don't use it all the time because of the shimmer. Like, all the shades are really like shimmery, but if you're going for like a dramatic or shimmery look, that's the palette for you. So make sure you all comment and leave me some feedback. Let me know how you like this look. I think I can do some different looks too, because there's so many like different shades on that palette. I could do like an all blue or like an all purple. So if you guys want to see some different Galaxy inspired looks, make sure you leave comments and let me know. And if you haven't already, as always, hit that subscribe button. Like, come on, and turn those notifications on, because you don't want to miss any of these videos that I post. Like, girl, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I can't wait to see you all next time. Y'all try to stay cool in this summer heat, because it is hot outside. Like, oh my god. And yeah, thanks y'all. Bye.